Helpful tips for the fight against anxiety. Anxiety makes life miserable for millions of people from all over the globe. Taking control of anxiety can be hard and many people do not know how. Luckily, there is great advice in this video, and these ideas are proven winners in combating anxiety. To help you ensure anxiety is not taking control of your life, speak to your doctor about medications you can take to restore potential chemical balances. Medications are often prescribed for people dealing with anxiety disorders, and the results have proven to be very effective in most cases. If you are suffering from frequent bouts of anxiety, it will help you to confide in another person, rather than to keep it inside. Bottling up anxiety only makes it worse, while talking about it with another person can diffuse the bomb and allow you go get some support. It is a surprise to many, but laughter is often a great tonic for reducing anxiety and steering your thoughts to a happier mindset. Find something funny, like a movie, to help you laugh. There are certain foods that should be avoided, if you are trying to cut down on the symptoms of anxiety. Foods that are sweetened with sugar, those with processed white flour and caffeinated beverages should not be consumed very often. They will only serve to make your condition worse than it already is. Learn to say no. Overextending yourself can quickly drain your reserves and leave your mind racing as you try to live up to your commitments. Your refusal to put more on your plate than you can manage may cause disappointment for someone, but your mental health and well-being are most important. People who suffer from high anxiety often crave salt. The craving is the result of the body's need for the salt. The best kind of salt to use is the raw, unprocessed salt that is easy for your body to digest and has more of the trace minerals your body needs. Eliminate the heavy breathing associated with anxiety by employing strategies directed at deep breathing. Consciously avoid the shallow breaths of hyperventilation by focusing on breathing with your diaphragm. Just taking slow, deep breaths can lessen your anxiety significantly. To conquer any situation in which anxiety rears its head in a seemingly debilitating manner, do your best to characterize the situation you are facing as something far more positive than you ordinarily might. By viewing a stressful situation as a valuable opportunity to gain personal strength, you will find it far easier to handle than it would ordinarily have been. Exercise is one of the best things that you can do to help eliminate any anxiety that you feel. When you exercise, your body flushes out all of the toxins from the inside out, which can improve your body functionality. Exercise at least 1 hour per day to improve the way that you feel. As you know, life filled with anxiety can be especially difficult. When you next face uncomfortable levels of anxiety, try some of the powerful advice here to lessen the level and get your attack under control. Try saving a copy of the tips in this video for the future. Discover how I overcame anxiety disorder, and started living life again. Visit secretanxietyhack.com, to learn how I did it. I thought my anxiety disorder was for life, but I discovered how hundreds of former anxiety sufferers melted away their anxiety, and now live relaxed, happy lives, with no trace of anxiety or depression at all. Visit secretanxietyhack.com to learn so much more. Link in the description.